All right, here we are this morning. We're gonna be decorating a house for Jeremy and Derek, and I am so excited, I can hardly wait. Come on in. All right, so here's the plan. Today we are gonna take this house that's just kind of, it's not very exciting, and we're gonna make it exciting. We're gonna add in greenery, live plants, texture, color, and really tie in this ottoman that they love. They use it every night, and so they're in love with it. So we have to make it work with the room. These guys love their family, and so they have them framed on the wall. I think we can do better though. Come on. All right, this is the master. It needs some more luxury and texture and charm and something to just make you want to jump on the bed. They actually converted a bedroom in their home into a closet, leaving this kind of lackluster, boring closet. We printed up a bunch of pictures, pretty bedding, pillows, a soft chair. So we're gonna relocate the rug and bring in something that just feels more luxurious, more of a hotel feel, kind of a manly feel. And then I got these amazing nightstands that are painted like a hunter green. So they're gonna be fabulous in here. All right, come on in. This bedroom I'm super excited for because it can only look better. This is just flat out ugly. I'm just gonna say it, like, sorry guys. I think he said that they got the artwork free online or something. I don't know, but this is their guest room where they host family and friends, and we just want it to be warm and inviting and pretty. So I have my team here today, and we are so excited to get started on this house. Are you ready? So today we've taken these pictures off of the walls. They were trying to put together a family tree with good intentions, but it didn't all kind of go. And so what we did is we're gonna use some of the pictures that we took off the wall, but we printed up new ones. And instead of a frame like this, where you don't really even see the images so much, we put them in a frame like this, where you just really get a feel for their family and their friends, and it's just clean and simple. And then we continued, and I had them send me some stuff from their Instagram and their Facebook, and we put them in some we turned them black and white and put them in some cool frames. And so it's just a simple, pretty, clean, and then you see the images and get a feel for who they really are. Lift and pull at the same time. We are Hunter Green. Hunter Green. We've already done just a few things. We put on the new bedspread and brought in the nightstands, and already it makes a huge difference. We're going to be adding some wood up here and some texture, and then this green nightstand. The thing I love about these, I actually got them on Facebook Marketplace, is that there's storage so that you can put whatever you need on the side of the bed. Can't wait to finish the room. Sometimes just reorganizing into color coding can really make a big difference, and I think we're going to change out the hangers so that they're all the same, so that we have a more streamlined look to this closet. I think we can improve this. This has to come down stacked. Yikes. Okay, so we had a whole assortment of a million pictures, and what I did was narrow down to their very favorites of the group photos and just put them in simple frames. So I'm just gonna do a simple layout so that it's not so overwhelming and you actually get to see the pictures. So I'm probably gonna do them, you could do them in a square on this wall, but I'm gonna do them kind of back and forth to give it a little more texture and fun. We decided to stop by and see what the guys are up to. They're at work, and they work at this place called Life Changing Dinners. They make all these healthy foods, and so they're actually gonna cook us lunch. Come on in.
Hey guys.
You cleaned the place up.
We did. I know, right? Straighten it all up.
Oh my goodness.
So how is it going? How's the
Okay,
house?
so we have 6 people at the house right now, and it's a lot of people. And we're fluffing and ironing and steaming and hanging, and you're gonna be blown away. It's so exciting.
Well, why don't we do this? We're gonna have make a little bit of food. We're right in the middle of making lunch.
Sweet.
And so let's make you a little bit of food.
Sweet.
And then we'll head over to the house.
All right, sounds good.
All
Yeah.
right, let's do it. Let's make some food.
Thank you so much for this amazing lunch. I gotta go run a couple errands.
Okay,
you guys
great.
ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
right,
Okay.
all right.
All right.
Go
We'll
have
see
fun.
ya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go have fun.
All right. Bye, guys. All right. Things are coming together. Last minute push. We gotta clear out this stuff. We're like down to less than an hour before the boys come home. Ah! All right. What do you need, Melissa? Get her done. So an easy fix for a piece of furniture that kind of looks like it's been out of shape is you can buy furniture markers at the store. They look like this, but you can also just use permanent markers. And between the two of them, you just cover up so that your eye doesn't go to the mark as much. Pro tip. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. They're gonna be here any minute. Any minute. Today we have worked all day putting this all together, this one-day makeover. It's the best way to do it. Come home and your house is totally done.
I don't know if I look good or we have to do the talking first. Whoa!
Look at this.
This is a... Oh, God.
It's a home. It's not just a bachelor pad
Look at
anymore.
this!
It smells like a home.
It smells like a
home.
clean home.
Like it's clean, right?
This is
Table.
Oh, I love it. Oh. Oh, nice.
Grandma. You. Love that picture. Oh! Shoes. We have stackable shoes now.
Oh, and she all color coordinated.
Way better.
Ooh!
What?
This
Gone
is
are
the
the
man's
days of
kitchen.
yellow.
Or, it's not a kitchen.
Look at the headboard.
This is
Oh my gosh, that is beautiful.
This is cool.
Oh, look at that. Wait. Oh, thank goodness the yellow went away. That is
That
fantastic.
is awesome. Oh, look at all these pillows I'm gonna throw at you.
Oh my.
Oh, this is cute.
That is really cute. Oh my goodness.
Oh, these are nice. Oh, Scout has a home.
No, he does, doesn't he?
Yes, he does. Oh, yay. Look at this. Yay.
Yay.
Oh, you have stuff to put stuff.
I do have stuff to put.
Oh, look, me, you. Oh, there's not a bunch of stuff over there. Ooh, our mouse!
Oh, you did do it. Oh, look, each one of ours.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. I love all of this.
It does.
We finally have a home. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing.
It's really amazing.
The way she was able to, the way Emily was able to take the components that we had and rework them, add in a lot of small components, and just make it absolutely come alive and pop, make it feel organized, make it feel like a home.
We did it. We pulled it off. One-day makeover. Came in the morning, finished it up by dinner time, and now they can enjoy their home. We'll see you next time.